What's up, guys? Benji here, and today we are actually going to make a bread sandwich. Alright, I got some bread supplies here, and today what we're going to do, I'm in my kitchen, and what we're going to do is I'm going to wash my hands before I use my sandwich. That's what we're going to do is we are actually going to make a sandwich today. And so what we're going to try to do is let's see if we put a sandwich in a microwave. I do have some supplies here, and today I got a cheese with bread. So this awesome mayonnaise, whatever, your mayonnaise with white egg on it, made with eggs actually, and this bread is made out of bread. So this is only for sandwich or tuna or whatever, peanut butter sandwich. You know, in 2019. Right now, today is, let me show you, today is, right now, today is, 2018, July 10. So, I think it's July 10. So that's what we're going to do is, I do have two bread for my cheese sandwich. Let's see what happens if we use a thing here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that. Wait. All right, guys. Since we're going to do that, I got my bread, and yes, I'm going to put the Band-Aid on, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I got the Band-Aid. Make sure you hit it so hard so you can get it. I know sometimes it doesn't come out. It's just like gas. It's almost like a gas, but it's just not going out because not much. Yeah, it's something wrong with the Band-Aid. Cause when I was about a little kid, and I never fixed some sandwich because I was just a little kid in 2009. So, but 2018, I'm older now. I'm older than Kentrell, my bro. He don't really talk. Alright, I'll see what we're going to do today. Alright, guys, I got the Band-Aid on. What we're going to do today is to use a teaspoon, spread it around, that you have a nice, clean layer. I'm hungry, guys. I just want to do some supplies here. Yeah, let's see what happens if we put I'm just going to put the mayonnaise on the other side. Alright, guys. Also, I got the mayonnaise on here, and see what happens if we rinse it out. And I'll go ahead and rinse that out. Alright, guys. I know this thing was kind of a little messed up there, but I gotta I don't have to use my hands. Oh, goodness. Okay, I don't really seal the Band-Aid when I was using water. Okay, I've actually screwed up there, but I'll just go ahead and put the spoon on there and use a paper towel, because I'm not really cooking. I'm actually making a sandwich. So, Got the cheese. What you're gonna do is get this out, and after I use this, and then, all right, gotta make sure there's no people coming around. Gotta make sure nobody is coming into my kitchen. Oh, my mom's sleeping, so I really don't have a dad. Actually, my mom is the only one. I got a piece of cheese, and then I'll put it on the sandwich. All right, guys, and I got the cheese on. And see, I got the cheese on. All right, guys, I made the sandwich. Now let's see what happens when we put this inside the microwave. And now I'm going to, okay, I must use my hands because I can't use my hands. Alright, I'm gonna stick this, also gonna stick this in here. Yeah. I'll show you at 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Alright, guys. I believe it's ready. And I must use my hands again. So, this is actually pretty good. Alright. Let's see what I'm doing here. Okay. Okay. I'll put it right here, right over there, so I can use that out of the way. And guys, let's see. I'll just get a slice. Get a knife for it. But first, let's take a scent bite. That's delicious. Yeah, it's good. All right, guys. All right. That is good. All right. All right. How about we put a cheese sandwich in the microwave, and that's how we do it. This is my video about what happens if we put a cheese sandwich with mayonnaise in a microwave, and also look at the description and see what it is there. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you will subscribe to my Gameplay for Kids, and peace out.